Hello everyone and welcome you all to another chapter of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Now we are on our chapter number 12 and here I'll be showing you guys a project on how to create an Instagram story video in our Premiere Pro. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how to do different type of animation and a lot of things in detail, how to use your text, what kind of effects you can use, how to make your own sequence, what is the particular size, from where you guys can create those particular size, what type of settings you should select while creating Instagram story. So we'll be learning about all of this in detail. So let's not waste time and let's get started with this particular chapter here. So here, as you guys can see, I'm in my workspace or in my home page, and I'll be going to the new project and I'll be naming this one as Instagram story. And from here, basically, I'll be creating one file here. Okay. So I have created here. It might take some time to open up. Sometime it takes a lot of time. It depends on the graphic of your computer. Okay. So now as I'm here, what I'm going to do first is I'll be trying to create a sequence. Okay. So how to create a sequence, I've already told you guys before. Control plus N from your keyboard, or if you're using a Mac, it's Command plus N from the keyboard. So Control N, and here you can see you'll have a pop-up kind of like this. Okay, so here I do have the pop-up. I'll be taking the DSLR 1080p into 25. Okay, and I'll go to the settings. So basically, for the frame size, it should be 4 into 5, okay, for an Instagram reel or the mode. So in that case, I'll cancel here first and I will go to my web. So here I do have a page, okay? So from here, basically, you guys can see the ratio around, okay? So here you can see the next key ratio that you'll see is 4.5, and we're starting to get into vertical video format. And here the frame size should be 1080 into 1350 in pixels. Okay, so in pixels, basically it's 1080 into 1350 pixels. Okay, so as you can see, this is the engage video marketing. So from here, if you guys search, you guys can get different type of sizes and ratio in pixels, which will help us later in our work. Okay, again, Control N, and from here I'll go to the settings. Is 1080 into 1350, right? 1350. And here I have put all of this, and here you can see I do have my size or the particular ratio. So it's 4 into 5, as you guys can see, and everything else is fine. If I want to save this kind of preset, I can save this particular preset as well. So I'll name this sequence as Instagram story, story story, and I'll click on OK from here. So here you guys can see I do have the sequence here. Okay, so now I already do have my sequence. I have created it, and the minimum time or the maximum time for an Instagram story, it's 15 seconds. Okay, so here I need to just, I'll come here, just move in, I'll come here, down. Okay, so from here I will come, I'll just move this particular playhead and I will come here, and maybe I'll be creating something for 10. Okay, so here I can add a marker basically. So for adding a marker, I'll click here and I have added a marker. So now what I can do is I can import my videos from here. So I will double click here, and here you can see I do have a lot of videos. So maybe I'll take this one and I will open this and I will just put here in this particular sequence. Okay. And here you can see I again do have the warning page. Okay, because the clip size and the sequence setting doesn't match. In that case, I'll just keep the existing settings which I have set. And here you can see I do have this particular place here. Okay, so if I just play it, you guys can see this is quite big. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll come here and I'll just zoom in from here basically. I'll come here to the 15-second mark and I will come here again with my razor tool and I'll just put a cut here and with my selection tool, select this one and delete. And here you can see I do have this, okay, this 15-second, and I'll also add a marker somewhere around here. Okay, so I have added a marker here, and yes, this the base is basically done. Okay, so I have already shown you guys how you can move around. Okay, so I'll be showing you all of this in detail. Okay, so let's see what all we'll do now from here. So now I'll be giving a voiceover, okay, for this 15 seconds out here. Okay, so let's start. I will be giving a voiceover here. Okay, so let me just give a voiceover. So maybe I'll just give from next class we'll be starting UI UX designing class. So I'll just give an intro. Okay, so you guys already know from here you can see this microphone icon. So I can give voiceover with this. Okay, you guys can also record it from before and give it later. But just to save the time and also to show you about this feature, I'm giving it here. But if you want to do it quite professionally, I recommend that you guys take the voiceover separately and then put it in Premiere Pro. And after that, link those with the video. And this is how it's quite better comparatively. Okay, so I'll just click on this. So here
So
in
here
this
in
class,
this
I'll be
class,
giving
I'll
you
be giving
guys
you guys
the
the
tutorial of
tutorial
UI
of
UX
UI UX
designing.
designing.
Okay, so
Okay,
you
so
guys
you
can
guys
come
can
to my
come to
class
my
and
class
join
and
it
join it
as soon as
as soon as
possible.
possible.
So take care,
So take care,
everyone.
everyone.
So I'll
So
just
I'll
end the
just end
recording.
the recording.
So here, as you can see, I do have my voiceover. So as I do have the marker over here, I will come with my tool here and again with the selection tool, select this and delete this one. Okay, so now let's try to hear this one out. I'll just minus, take this playhead, and now let's try to play.
So here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of UI UX designing. Okay, so you guys can come to my class and join it as soon as possible. So take care, everyone.
So yeah, this is quite okay. I am quite satisfied with this one. And now I'll just zoom in, okay? And I will just try to edit this particular audio which I have, okay? So maybe I will just cut this particular part from here, okay? This starting, I will just take again this plate here, put a cut here, and come here, and I will delete this first. This one I have deleted. Everything is fine. Maybe I can also give a cut over here, or you can just use Control C. Okay, then come again here, and I can also decrease somewhere here, here. This part I can also put up a cut. So it might take some time for you guys to do this, to edit your voiceover. Okay, and I will just cut here. So yes, I'm done. And now I can just select all this and delete accordingly. So I'll come here. I will select this, delete this, and again come here, select this one and delete this one. And yes, this part as well. Okay, so I do have my audio here. Now I'll just stack it up. I'll just come here and go back again. And yes, till this much. Then I'll also cut my video as well. Okay, so maybe from here. So here you guys can see once I'm bringing this one up. Okay, you can see the line. Okay, so it is just aligning me where the possible cut I can give. So this is quite helpful while I'm working. So I'll just select this one and I'll delete this as well. Okay, so now let's hear this
So
one.
here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of UI UX designing. Okay, so you guys can come to my class and join it as soon as possible. So take care, everyone. So
Yeah,
here in this
so this one is quite fine. Okay, I have edited this one. And now if I want to just edit this particular audio, okay, so I have already told you guys how we can actually increase the size. Okay, so here you can see, I'll just zoom in. Okay, you guys can see here I do have these sound waves. Okay, so from here basically I can increase the sound, or if I just select this, I can also decrease the sound as well. Okay, so maybe I will keep it somewhere around minus, or yeah, minus 2 decibel is fine. Okay, and as I do have this particular setting here, okay, what I want to do is I want to copy this one. Okay, and now I will go to the edit option and I will just paste the attributes. Okay, so here you can see what all do I have. Okay, so if you do have any particular setting in your video, you guys can do all of that as well. Okay, so I have come here. What I'll do is I'll just copy all this volume, channel volume, all of this from here. I'll click on OK, and maybe I'll select this, and I will come here again, paste attributes, and yes, I have selected everything, and I will click OK from here. And all of this particular clip, I can do the same thing here as well. Come here and click on this edit option, paste attributes, click on OK. Yes, and go back, come here, and again, go to the edit option and just paste attribute. Okay. So I have pasted the same attribute in all of this here. Or before that, I can also come here. I will come here. Okay, so I will select this particular audio. Suppose I have selected this particular audio. From here, now I want to do some work here. So I'll come here in the edit option. Okay, maybe I'll just increase this one. I'll go to the dialog. And from this dialog option, what I can do is I can change the clarity. Okay, so maybe I always prefer that I use little bit of clarity to my sound. So let me
so
hear.
here in this
Okay, so this one is fine. So I'll go to the dialog. Yes, this is quite okay. And if I want to enhance speech, I can enhance the speech as well.
so here
So this one is also fine. And my loudness is fine as well. I'll auto match. And yeah, everything else is fine. And I do have this one. Now what I'm gonna do is I will select all these three and I will come to the edit option and I will paste attributes. So here you guys can see different attributes. So I will select this one and I will click on OK. So here I have pasted this. So now let's try to listen
So
this one.
here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of UI UX designing. Okay, so you guys can come to my class and join it as soon as possible. So take care, everyone.
So yeah, I hope you guys have understood how you can actually uh, use this audio. And if you want to link this audio, you guys can come here and also group. So now you won't be able to move it by your own choice, like individually. So if you move once, it will all will be moved together. Okay, and you guys can do other thing as well. If you guys come here, select both of this, and you guys can group both of this as well. Okay, so now here you guys can see I am not able to move it individually. Okay, so again, I'll come on top and here you can see my audio waves. Okay, so here, this is the audio wave. I'll bring this here. And yeah, this is quite fine. I'm okay with this one. Okay. So the first thing is done. Okay. About the audio, I have managed the audio, but now I'll be working on the video, like how you can basically enhance the video quality and use text around. Okay. So we'll be looking into all that. And also I'll be adding one audio like background music type. So maybe I'll take one audio. Let's see what audios do I have here. So maybe I'll take this, I'll open this one, and I will drop down this here again. Take my tool here. And from here, what I'm going to do is I will select this tool and select this and delete this part. Okay, so now let me just play you
So
once.
here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of UI UX designing. Okay,
So here I'm not able to listen to the background music which I have added here. So done adding the music as well. Okay, so we'll be working here on this now. Okay, so now here if I double click on this, you can see my frame is quite big. So for me, what I'll do first is I will move the frame here, and now we'll be working with all this frame. Okay, so I'll be working on this framing first, then I'll be working on with the text. Okay, so yeah, my this frame should be the beginning. Okay, effect control, and I will just scale this one a little bit, and I will just scale this one a little bit more. And yes, this is fine. So that my first frame is going to be this, and my second frame I'll be choosing from here. Okay, so yeah, this is the starting frame which I have here, and now I will be choosing in the positioning. So first I have showed you guys already how to do that. Bring this one here first, and I will be adding a keyframe. Okay, so come here in this position, add a keyframe, and bring this one here. And now you guys can actually, wait, I will do this one from here. Okay, so now let's see the preview of how it actually works.
so here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the
So yeah, this one is quite good. Again, I will be bringing this one from here as this is here. Now I will bring this one right here. And again, I will be bringing this here in the center. Okay, so I have added all of these three keyframes. And what I'm going to do now is I will just select this temporal interpolation is out. And from here, Again, I will select this. Temporal interpolation is in. Come here, select this, and is out. So now let's see.
So here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of UI UX designing.
So yeah, I hope you guys have basically understood. I can also manage this one from here. Okay, so I'll be managing this one basically from here. Take this keyframe, bring it somewhere here. And now let's see the preview.
So here in this class, I'll be
So
giving
now
you
it's
guys
moving
the
quite slowly
tutorial of UI
comparatively.
UX design.
Okay, so this is how you guys can do. And if you want to scale this one, you guys can do that as well. Okay, so here I have scaled this one till this much. If I want to scale it down, I can do it as well. But already I'm in my 63%, so I won't be doing anything as such. I won't be rotating or anything. So yeah, this part is done. I hope you guys have understood this as well. Now we'll be working on with the text. Okay, so here is the text bar and I'll be coming up here. Suppose I am here right now and I'll be making a text box somewhere here. Or I'll just delete this and I will make a text box here. And right here, I'll be writing UI UX designing. I will come here, bring this down, tutorial. Select all of this. Okay, I'll be selecting all this from here and I will go to this essential graphics option. And from here, I will just bring it in the center. Okay. And from here now I can just increase the size of this and I can also choose the font which I want. So maybe I'll take this particular font here. And yes, this one is fine. Now what I'll be doing is I will select this particular thing and I will be positioning all of this from here. So here, as you can see the position, and we already know about all of this. So come here and put up a keyframe. Okay, so come to the position, click here, and now bring this one again in the beginning and move this one with your selection tool or with this positioning. Okay, I want to position it down. So here I will bring this and yeah, I'm done. So let's see how it
So
basically
here
looks.
in this class, I'll be giving.
So this is how it will actually look. And also I want it to disappear from top. Okay. So again, what I'll do is I will select this text from here and I will just move this on top. Okay. So here I will be moving this one on top till it disappears. So yeah, I do have this one as well. So let's see the
So
preview.
here in this class, I'll be giving.
So I'll just increase the timing basically from here. I will keep this one somewhere here and this one I will bring this or I will just come here again in this position. Yes, I will keep it somewhere here and this one somewhere here in between. Okay, so now let's see the preview.
So here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of
Yeah, so this one is quite fine. Again, I'll come here, temporal interpolation, and ease out. And here I will be choosing the ease in. And here also I will come. I will choose the ease in. And here I will choose the ease out option. Select this and
So
leave it
here
here.
in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial.
So here you can see the particular effect which I have put. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood till this much. And now again, what I'll be doing is I'll be adding another type box. Okay. And for that, again, I will come here and I will be creating another box. So I will create another box here at this point. And now here I will be writing register now. Okay, so register now. Signing, come here, and I can also just duplicate this one. Okay, I will just copy and I will paste it somewhere here. Control V. Okay, so I do have this one here now as well. Okay, but I have changed this as well. Okay, so come, let's see the
So
preview.
here in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of UI UX designing.
Yes, so now I'll be working on this one, this particular text here, and I will just keep this one right here or at the ending, okay, that I can work around with my video here. Okay, so what I'll be doing is again I will come to this particular text here. Okay, so I'll come to this, go to this option around here. Okay, so here you guys can see I do have this one. I don't have anything, so I will delete this one, and I do have this now. Okay, so this register now option, and I can write anything as I want. So for that, basically I have selected this one. I will just go on top. Okay, so I will come here to this text option, or from here I'll again go to the effect controls. Okay, so yeah, as you can see I am back again at the same place. Okay, so I have selected this one, and what I'll do is I'll select all of these keyframes and I will delete this keyframe. Okay, so here you can see I do have the same thing again, but now here I'll be writing register now. Register now. And yes, this one is fine. Okay, so here I'll be adding different kind of animation. Okay, so here what I'll be doing is I want it to go uh, like as the first one went up, this one I want to bring it from on top, and I want it to finish it here. So in that case, what I'm going to do is again come here and select this one, give a keyframe over here, and now bring your this one somewhere here. Select this. Okay. With this tool, just move it on top here. Okay. I will just bring it on top here. Okay. So maybe I will add here. This one will be here. And I will change the positioning from here as I want this to go down. So yeah, this one is quite fine. So let's see the preview from here. Okay, so let's
List.io and join it as soon as possible.
and let's see from the beginning how it basically looks. So I will just start it
So
from the
here
beginning.
in this class, I'll be giving you guys the tutorial of UI UX designing. Okay, so you guys can
Artlist.io.
and join it as soon as.
Yeah, so this one is fine as well. Okay, and from here basically I can also put to ease these things out. Suppose I will go to my essential graphics, or I will go to this Lumetri colors. I can basically use this option just to change the intensity of this particular video here. Controls. Okay, so maybe I will just change the intensity a little bit from here. Okay, you guys can see, and yeah, this is quite okay. I'm happy with this one. So yeah, you guys can see now
So
this
here
is
in this
just
class,
ready
I'll be
to
giving
get
you guys
uploaded.
the tutorial of UI UX designing. Okay,
So
so
here
you
you can
guys
see the
can
result.
Artlist.io.
and join it as soon as possible.
So this is how you can create a Instagram story. If you want to show the rotation and stuff, you guys can do all this as well. And here you can see the curves and opacity. All of these you guys can change it according to yourself. Okay. And now I have done this particular thing. Everything is done. And now the thing is I want to export it. And how you can export is Control M from the keyboard. Okay, or you can just click here on this export, and here you can see I do have all of this here. Okay, so I need to make sure once I am rendering this file, I should basically have it in H.264 format. Okay, so it should be a MP4 format, and it should not exceed more than 4 GB. Okay, so from here you guys can see basically everything looks good, and the estimated file size is 19 MB. So once everything is fine, once you're happy with all of this, okay, once you're happy with everything around here, and you guys can actually get a preview from here as well
So take care, everyone.
before you render. Okay, so you take this one here, play
So here
this,
in this
and
class,
you are
I'll be
getting a
giving you
preview here
guys
as well.
the
Okay,
tutorial
the
of
last check
UI
before
UX
you render
designing.
your file.
Okay, so you guys can
Artlist.io.
and join it as soon as possible. So take care, everyone.
So yeah, I'm happy with my particular work here. And here you can select this entire source, and you can just check it if by going frame by frame as well. Okay, so I can just export this one, and here you can see it is taking some time to encode and render. Okay, basically you guys can do it like that. So I'll just wait for some times how much time it takes to render. But I hope you guys have understood this particular chapter or this particular project. Okay, so you guys can now edit a video for yourself. Okay, so here you guys can see I have done the rendering, and I can actually view my file from here as well. Okay, so this are few events. Okay, I'll come here. I can see, I can also check on the details. Okay, so here you can see, yeah, your video was exported successfully, and yeah, this one is saved in my Adobe Premiere Pro resource file. That's fine, and I'm going to check it now. Okay, so I will come here, go to my resource file, and from here basically I do have this Instagram story. So
So
here
here
this
in
is the
this
video
class,
which I
I'll
have
be
just
giving you
created.
guys the
Okay,
tutorial
so
of
it's
UI
somewhere
UX
around 11
designing.
seconds.
Okay, so
Okay,
you guys
and
can
looks quite good
Artlist.io.
as
and
well.
join it as soon as possible. So take care, everyone.
So I have shown you guys each and everything in this particular class, and hope you guys have understood it as well. Okay, I have shown you guys from the beginning till the end of how to create or how to edit a Instagram story, which is around 15 seconds. So hope to see you all